In the previous video, we learned how the HTTP delete request works. In this video, we will learn how to use HTTP response status codes. Requests sent to the server are processed and a status code is generated as a result. Status codes indicate the result of the processed request. For example, when we send a request to github.com, it brings us a web page. Let's make a GET request for turtle code. The turtle code request was brought because it was registered on the server. But if I add the letter E to the turtle code, it shows the 404 not found error because there is no record on the server. You can get information about all status codes from this website. You can get the link from the description section of the video. In this video, I will talk about 200, 201, 204 and 404 status codes. A status code of 200 means that the transaction was completed without any problems. 201 means the information sent to the server has been processed and saved. 204 means the requested content is not available on the server. It is generally used in deletion operations. 404 means that the requested information is not available on the server. We can better understand the difference between 204 and 404 by using an example. To make an example, I activate the server. The list is currently empty. I will add 2 records. Notice that the status code is 200. This indicates that the process has been completed successfully. But we can use 201 instead of 200. 201 means the information sent to the server has been processed and saved. Since the GET request was completed successfully, status code 200 is shown. We can perform the search within a specific member. The result is the same. But what happens if the GET request fails? Let's make a transaction with an ID that is not registered in the system. Couldn't find the records. But again the status code was sent as 200. This is not true. It should have a status code of 404 instead of 200. We'll learn how to fix these in a moment. First, I transfer the necessary libraries. I need response, status and exception libraries. When I search for posts by ID, if there is no post, I will create a warning with raise. I can specify the status code in the exception function. I set the status code to 404 not found. I can also create an information text for 404 not found. Let's test it. The list is currently empty. I will create 2 posts. I can see the posts with the GET request. I can reach a specific member using ID. If I cannot reach a certain member with the ID, a 404 not found status code is sent back. Additionally, the information text I specified is displayed on the console. Now let's set a status code when sending a post request. If successful, 201 created status code will be sent back. Code 201 was sent back because it was completed successfully. Let's send a GET request. If the member cannot be found again, a 404 not found message is sent back. Now let's do a delete operation. When the deletion process is completed successfully, status 200 is returned. It is more accurate to return 204 instead of 200. I set the status code to 204. I can use the response function for return. Let's test again. I am creating 2 posts. Since it is completed successfully, status code 201 is sent back. I can access a specific member. If the member is not found, a 404 not found status code is sent back. Let's do a delete operation. Since the deletion process is successful, 204 no content status code is sent back. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.